Our hope today is to finally stain our deck. We bought the stain like 3 weeks ago, and every weekend it started raining, so we have not been able to do it. And then today, it's supposed to be gone within 20 minutes, and it never really rained. It like sprinkled a little bit, so we're just kind of hoping for the best. And we went and got the stain shaken up, and then we got our coffee, and then now we're gonna get some breakfast, and then hopefully we can start staining. Oh, and then while we were getting the can shaken up, we got another can of paint stirred, and then the guy was like, oh, we don't carry this brand, so if something goes wrong, we can't replace it. He's like, but I've never seen anything go wrong. And then of course he came back and he's like, the lid kind of popped off. It's not that bad, but of course that's kind of the day we're having.
Yep.
To Taco Bell.
Little girl.
Hello, Peppa.
She's like, that smells awesome.
She's like, that smells good. You trying to get some Taco Bell?
Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Oh my god, she whacked her eye.
Oh, with her tail.
Did you see that?
Oh, okay, so we got our Taco Bell breakfast. We're gonna eat outside. It looks like it's done with the clouds, so we should be good. So we're gonna eat and then get staining, and then Pepper's just chilling outside with us. Hello, Peppa. Hi, Peppa. Okay, so this is what we're working with today. It is a monstrous deck. We also have this area that will be part 2, but there's no way we're gonna get this done. So this was the old deck. We just took the top layer off and we filled it in with dirt. So eventually we're going to have to sand down the old stain. I've been trying to power wash it off, but it's just not coming all the way off. That is a whole nother project for another day. Power wash this, we've cleared it off, got all the debris. And so I think our plan of action is to start in this corner here, because no one will really see it until we get our technique down and all of that. And then we're gonna move the pergola, then do all the outside and the railing, and then last do the floor of the deck. So we shall see how this goes. So that is what we're looking with. So we went with a navy blue. Okay, let's get going.
Moonless.
Moonless blue. I said we look like we don't know what we're doing.
We don't.
Okay, do you think I should start right here or in like the middle?
Probably middle.
Right here.
Go
Okay.
for it.
There's no dripping.
Whoa, I like it. Looks good. It's too wet. It's too wet.
Spread it around.
I think you've got too much stain on it.
So this is about an hour in, and this is hard to tell. This area gets the least amount of sun, so this was like the least dried out. We actually had the deck built over a year ago, so it had a chance to dry out. That's why you can tell how dry it is over there, but some of these vertical beams aren't as dry. But I am loving this color. So
Yeah.
it's like a navy blue. I wonder if this will pick up, but you can still see the texture of the wood.
Here, you can see it between the spindles.
Yeah.
Over there, above.
Over here? Oh yeah. So yeah, I was just so excited. We took a little bit to get our technique down.
Did we get it down there?
Yeah, we're still working on it, but we're starting in the least seen area and then working to the most seen. So hopefully by then we'll have the best technique. But we've got Poochie here who's been bored. Have you been bored? You knocked down your water. Hello, Papa. I know normally we just let her free roam, but of course we don't want her to get near the paint, so she's been missing us, I know, but you're getting the sun. This is the end result of day 1. We got a lot done, more than I thought we would. Okay, as you can tell, we've been staining some more. I have not filmed anything. We just kind of wanted to get going. It is actually a week later, and we have just been going all day. I started around 9. Graham had to finish working, and then so now it's about 3 o'clock, and we've gotten a lot done. we've been continuing with the banisters all the way around.
The worst part.
Yes, because it just takes a while because you have to get the underneath, the sides, just all these odd places. So this is honestly taking the longest part. And right now I'm taking a break from staining and I am taping the perimeter, just taping all along the house. Pepper's been supervising. She's been actually doing a really good job of not getting in the way, just enjoying the sun. But look at that, that just looks so good. Explosion of the paint, the stain when I was pouring it. But I just think it makes me look like I was actually working, so. What are your thoughts on this, Graham?
Well, you can tell who the messy one in the relationship is.
Burn.
No, I love it.
Yes,
I
but
think it looks really good. We made a lot of progress today, honestly.
yeah.
It's, a little of time that we've...
Right. We're still going strong, but I'm fading, so I'm gonna go grab us dinner and take a little breather, but I'll show you what we're working on now. Okay, so it is now a week later, and it is, it's almost too hot to be staining because if it's over 90 degrees, it will make the stain runny. So it's been either raining or too hot. So we're just like, we're doing what we can. So it's about 10, we've been going for a little over an hour. And the hope is to get as much done today, and then if not, we will still finish up tomorrow. But I'm thinking this weekend we will get stuff done. So the part that I was working on just now is these little slats under the stairs, which were hard to get to, and at first I didn't know if we needed to do them, but I figured once we actually got the tops of the steps, you would see them. So I still got to do the bottom portion. I'm just trying to not get it all over the rocks. So that's gonna be a pain, but it is coming along. That is all done. All the railings are done, and we actually started to do the floor, and then we realized that it wasn't getting in between the boards like we wanted. So Graham looked up a YouTube video, and we saw like a good strategy to get in between the boards. As you just kind of wedge it in between. So now we've kind of, you can't see how bad it was before. So we're actually gonna go over this because you can tell it's a little patchy. But yeah, you just kind of wedge the sponge. So now we're doing this before we go over the rest. Do you want to wedge it in there?
Oh, I didn't get enough.
The hottest day of the year to do this, but I think we are pretty much done finally. I didn't think it would happen. We're just doing some, but it looks so good. So we're just gonna maybe do another layer.
Yeah.
But it looks so good.
I think the right half is pretty well coated. I think
Yeah.
I just didn't get enough stain on my first run
There's
yesterday.
there's some like right there.
Yeah.
But
It's probably gonna be hard with the shadows.
yeah.
I'll probably just go up 2, 2, 2, 2.